Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're doing a 150 rand challenge here in Sea Point. Can we still do it? Let's find out. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go. Let's see what we can find for 150 bucks to eat here in Sea Point. I heard it's super expensive. Super busy as always. Just show you guys a lookie. Show you guys a look around. All the tourists coming there. And all these high-riser flats. So, I'm thinking of a burger and chips. That's what I feel like. But let's go see if we can find this little famous viral burger spot here in Mojo Market. So, let's see if we can find that spot. Got the sauce, got the tomato, got the smash burger patty itself. Look how amazing that looks. Super cool. Presentation, I'll give it 10 out of 10. Now for the taste. Like truffle sauce on chips. You guys like that?